In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view past returns on TurboTax. This is a straightforward process that can save you time and provide easy access to your financial history when you need it. Whether you're gathering information for future tax planning or just want to review what you filed in previous years, TurboTax makes it simple to look back at your past returns. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the TurboTax website. Once there, you'll need to log into your TurboTax account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's a convenient link to reset it, so don't worry. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the TurboTax Online 2025 homepage. Here, you'll find the variety of options and features available to you. What you'll want to do next is navigate to your tax home. Simply look for the Tax Home tab or button, which is usually prominently displayed on the main dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to the central hub of your tax-related activities within TurboTax. Now that you're in the Tax Home, the next step is to locate and click on the Tax Returns and Documents section. This is where all the magic happens. In this section, TurboTax compiles a comprehensive list of all your past tax returns. It's organized by year, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. You'll see a list of all the years for which you have filed returns using TurboTax, and you can simply click on the year you wish to view. Once you've selected the year, you'll have access to all the documents related to that specific tax return. This is particularly useful if you need to reference specific details from past filings, check the status of any previous amendments, or simply ensure that all your information was accurately reported. And there you have it. Accessing past returns on TurboTax is as simple as logging in, navigating to your tax home, and selecting Tax Returns and Documents. By following these steps, you can quickly retrieve any past return you need, making tax time less stressful and more organized. Remember, keeping track of your tax documents is not just about compliance, but also about staying informed and prepared for any financial planning or audits that might require you to reference past information. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.